My background, I was born and raised here in the Cleveland area, Parma, Ohio. Went to Cleveland State University, got an undergrad in accounting. And my first job out of school, I was internal auditor for Sherwin-Williams, and I spent about 5 years in the New Orleans area. Relocated back here to Cleveland and have been working for middle market manufacturing companies since then, my entire career. My role has been, I've taken on a lot more responsibilities and wearing a lot of different hats. When I came here, I was hired as the controller. That moved into a CFO role, and then eventually took over HR and assumed our IT group. I let people do their jobs. I try to make sure that, and I do have good people working for me, and so really I try to stay out of the way. And when they need direction, they feel comfortable to come to me and talk to me if they have a problem or they can't resolve an issue. I let them work it out first because I know they're good enough to do it. And when they run into a roadblock, then they come to me. I recognize good work. I don't go out of my way to fawn over people, and I'm not that much of a rah-rah guy. But when somebody does good work, I make sure that they know about it, and I make sure their team knows about it. What I try to convey to people, and our owner has been mentioning this a lot lately, is there's a purpose here, and I think a lot of people in this place understand that purpose, and that's what motivates people here. I think people just want to do a good job here, and they want this company to succeed because they want to be here for the long term. It's a family atmosphere here. I think that permeates throughout the whole organization, no matter what department you're in. I think people really pull together and help each other out here. Just the opportunity to experience and try a lot of new and different things. I think those are some of the benefits of working here. It's just a cohesiveness. When you walk around, you see that a lot. I think that's what people notice right off the bat. Walking around the plant, the type of machinery that we have, we're constantly investing in new technology and new machinery. As far as innovation is concerned, the ownership is very committed to investing back into the business. In fact, we've got an initiative now. It's the manufacturing 4.0. We want to be on the front end of the future of manufacturing, and so that's automating work cells, getting people more skilled from a technology standpoint. We want people to become more savvy from a digital standpoint, down to our production workers. So we're going to be investing a lot in training to get to that point, as well as equipment and capital. What excites me about the future of the business is we recently went through an ownership change where the founder's son bought out his siblings, and so now he's the sole owner. He's got an initiative of 50 by 50, $50 million in sales after 50 years. 2022 will be 50 years since the business was founded. Look, let's be honest, manufacturing over the last 40 years has changed significantly. The days of the big smoke belching steel mills that we used to see down in the flats, those are gone. So we're trying to be on the forefront of the future of manufacturing. And to do that, we're investing heavily in technology, and we're looking for really talented people at all facets, from production all the way to engineering, technical, finance. So that's where we see our future, and that's where we're focusing our initiatives and our investments in that area.